In this video we're going to learn how to make a keychain, something that looks similar to this. You'll put your name on it, or a nickname or something, whatever you'd like to put on there. And yours does not have to be a pentagon like mine, that's just the shape that I chose. It can be a different shape, and then in the end when you're finished we will be printing these out and you'll get to keep them. So first thing you're going to want to do is you go up to the top bar here on the 123D design. You'll see this here, it says primitives, and these are all three-dimensional. We're actually going to start with a two-dimensional shape over here, and we're going to make it three-dimensional. So these are some different shapes you can choose from. You could also try drawing your own by doing these lines. Just ask for some help if you can't figure out how to do that, because I'm going to start with a shape that's already made. So I'm going to go to Polygon. You'll notice it can place it kind of anywhere on the build area. I'm going to choose a radius, so I'm going to go down to here, choose a radius of 15, because I want it to be about 30 millimeters, so that would be 15 on each side. And then I want my sides to be 5, because I want it to be a pentagon. Again, you can change it to whatever shape you'd like. So I'm just going to place it on the build plate, or the build area. So I just clicked, and that will place it there. Now something you're going to want to do, or I recommend to do, is go over to this sidebar, and you've got this thing called Fit. That's basically just going to make it so that it's better for you, and then you can rotate it by right-clicking and make it fit a little bit better. The other thing that I would recommend is rotating this shape so that it will look correct. So I'd go like that, I'd go up to here, move and rotate. Now when you're rotating it, you're not going to get exactly the right one that you want, so you look between, okay, 20 doesn't get me there, 15 is not quite enough, so I just maybe put 17 and a half. And it looks like I've chosen the wrong angle there. Sorry, negative 17.5. There we go. And that's pretty close. So I'd hit enter. Now it's just a little bit easier. It looks a little bit better for me instead of being slightly rotated. So I've placed my shape on there. Now what you're going to do, the only other thing we're going to do in this video is learn how to get it to be three-dimensional. So I would click on there so that it is filled in and shaded. Then this little wheel comes up, and you're going to go over to the one that says extrude. And that makes it go three-dimensional. So I'm going to pick 3 millimeters, so I just type 3, hit enter, and now I've got a three-dimensional shape, as you can see right there. In the next videos we'll look at how we make a hole in the top of it, and then eventually how we get text and how we make nice beveled edges or a rounded edge up there.